Hey guys, it's Jamie. We're going to be starting a YouTube channel. I'm going to be doing different things like fixing quads. I got a couple quads right there. I got an Arctic Cat and I got a Polaris. It's my buddies. So anytime I'm going to be fixing those things or doing anything like that, I'll be posting videos. But we're going to start with this bad boy. I picked this up yesterday. It is a 1976 Vangard truck camper, and it is a piece of shite. It doesn't leak, and that's because, you know, they did this, which I guess is okay. I got it for free, so, you know, free is good. I've never done anything like this. Gotta say, if you've never actually put one of these into a truck before, it's a shit show. Let me tell you, it's hands down one of the most nerve-wracking things I have ever done. Especially lifting it off the ground like we put it on the ground here. I did put there's two pieces of plywood screwed together here with 8 heavy-duty casters on the bottom of it. And so we got it on the ground so I can actually move this thing around, which is going to be convenient as hell while we're renovating it. Now, when we're doing the renovations in this thing, we're not going to be restoring this to its original glory or doing anything like that. Like some YouTube channels, they make these things as fully functional again. We're gonna do this thing because we're not campers. Here's the inside. We like going to hotels, and so we're not going to be restoring this thing. We're going to make this exactly what it is, and that's a sleeper. They've got eavesdrops in here, which is, I guess it's kind of a good idea for the condensation, but no, that's going in. So we're going to be putting a king-size bed in here. I think right here, we're going to make this a seating area that will convert into a bed. Here, I think the plan is we're going to actually bring this out so it'll fit a king-size mattress in here so we can sleep north-south instead of east-west. And then underneath here, so down in this area here, we're going to have a single mattress running east-west. So me and my wife can sleep up there, my son can sleep down here, and my daughter can sleep here. And then we'll be keeping some of this counter space, not this counter space, but I'm gonna make some new stuff. And we'll have storage. We're gonna try and reuse some of this and refinish it as overhead storage. And that's pretty much it. So today, like I said, I got this camper yesterday. And there's the beast that I brought it in on. And I'll be having to do some repairs on this thing because it sounds like a piece of shit right now. I blew the right side exhaust manifold is leaking. So it's throwing up a code and it's running like shit. Sounds like shit too. So it's burning gas. This isn't a diesel. This is a this is the old Hemi V8. She goes like stink, but she's thirsty all the fucking time. So, yeah, I gotta fix that window as soon as, you know, I'm allowed to go back to the wreckers. So yeah, this is it. So I'll tune back in a little while, show you the progress. Yeah, so tune in. We've got 2 months to finish this because that's when we need it for. So here's hoping.